Who's ready to dig?
We are! What are those tree like?
Hi guys, we're going to build a bushcraft shelter with these spades with my siblings, Arthur and Bella, the cameraman, and let's get to it.
Right down there.
Just a progress update. We cleared the leaves and we're just like rolling back these bits of dirt because there's all these little roots and basically building up a retaining wall out of this dirt. And now we're digging out these parts like this. Okay, we're going good. The hole's coming along nice. What we're going to do is we're going to spike it in just here, and it'll hold all these sticks back, and then we'll be able to pack the dirt against it. That way it won't all slide down the hill like that. We just had to go and take Arthur back because he got bored. But we're back, and I brought the axe, tomahawk, so knife bit. We also added the retaining wall, as you can see. Come around here. Just shoved in some sticks and added all these thick dead logs, and now we're just packing the dirt against it. And this gives us a lot of area to work with. Like, we could stick a campfire out here and stuff.
Yeah, and we're planning on sleeping in it, so it's going to be fun.
In my pocket I brought walnuts. So we just get them like this, crack them and eat them. We've finally finished digging.
And we built 9 retaining walls.
There's one here, one here, one here, one there, one there, one there, 3 here. That adds up to 9. So basically, once we lay these longer sticks across, we add these fern leaves
And
everything else, it'll be perfect. Okay, we've got all our gear, got the army shovel on my belt. We've finished digging out the hole and building up the retaining walls. So we're going to head back, get a tarp for the floor so that the sleeping bags don't get dirty on the mud, and then put on the roof.
And by the way, next time don't go like this. Stop here.
Bunch. Go. So this is where Arthur's been. Oh, he's already rolled. He's coming down. Oh, Lightning McQueen wins. Woo! That was awesome. We're just on our way back. We grabbed the tomahawk and some walkie-talkies, and we had lunch, took a swim, and now we're gonna
go get some materials for the roof, and we're gonna go get some sticks for a fire.
Sweet, let's do it. We're here So basically the digging is all done, the retaining walls are done. We're going to lie down here and these sticks will basically lay across the top like this, and then we'll have shorter sticks laying in a different direction and then all the way across. And we're going to use these big panga leaves, these hanging ones that are all low like this one just here, and then we're going to lay them across the roof. We'll lay out this tarpaulin on the floor as a ground sheet, and then if we need it, we'll use this one for the roof. So what I've been doing is going around these panga trees and trying to find these leafy bits and then stacking them in a pile and bringing them over, and Bella's been underneath and just telling me where to put them.
Go on.
Getting in is quite tricky because you have to go all the way down and then... Oh.
Yeah, I know, you can't even fall.
But, oh wow, that's perfect, look at that. There's no light now.
Thanks to me.
Only on the side, but that doesn't matter because the rain won't get in that way. Wow, that is amazing. We did it! It's complete. Now we just get the sleeping bags, maybe some pillows, cook something on the campfire. It's around sunset, but it gets really dark in the bush because of the big canopy that blocks the light. So it's completely dark in here already, even though it's kind of bright out. And the paddocks and stuff. We just got to get up these rocks over the hill and over another hill, and then we'll be there. We finally, it's the morning, there's light outside. And man, oh, it's so uncomfortable. We could not roll over, there was no space to roll over, so we just had to stay in one position all night. Just woke up, it's an awesome day. The funny thing is, it's so dark in there that the sun's like all the way up. So we've got some oranges here. Down here we filled these little travel mugs. Come on, camera. Filled these little travel mugs with oats. And what we're going to do is get slices of these oranges and peel off the skin. And we'll have these oranges on top with walnuts, and then honey and boiled water for tea. Fire's out, we've emptied out our camp. That was an awesome night. Cool overnighter in this awesome hut we built. And yeah, it's time to head back. This area is so cool. There's like this rocky bit and there's that little hole there. And that hole comes out here. And there's a big cave that runs all the way through. That's cool. We finally made it back home, and yeah, that was an awesome overnighter in the little bunker, I guess. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.